Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Louis Jr. Chakwani, number one Vuzu Rich Kid, number one Forex trader in Africa. I just thought I should do a video for you guys. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube, and I wanted to let you know about what's going on in my life right now and what I'm focusing in terms of the internet. Well, you guys know I'm a good internet marketer. I've created a lot of strategies, a lot of things in the Forex industry that people are using, a lot of strategies that people are using to promote their brands as Forex traders. So I wanted to also, focus on the bigger picture, which is affiliate marketing or internet marketing. And you might be asking yourself, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically when you take a link and you promote it in order to sell a product that someone else has made, or service, a product. It can be an ebook, it can be clothes, it can be literally anything. And this is why I love it, because it opens a portal for everyone who wants to become successful to basically sell something online. Because ever since COVID-19 hit, things have changed. So you guys have to obviously discover new ways to make money. And I've created this video just to tell you that going forward, I'll be creating a few videos explaining to you the kinds of products that I sell online and how you can make money online. Currently, you can make an average of $20,000 a week. And if you're from Africa, that is a lot of money, especially even if you're from America. But I'm talking about all my followers all over the world. If you guys want to make money online, let me know. Hit subscribe and like this video. If you have a question, leave a comment. But this is my video to you saying I'm going to be promoting a lot of affiliate marketing, passive income. Basically, money comes in every single day, every single month. Whether you're working or you're not working, the money comes in. You just do the work once, you promote the item. You can create videos on YouTube. You can create videos on TikTok, Instagram. You can post on Facebook, WhatsApp, wherever you have people that you know that trust you, and you can educate them about their product. So the most powerful thing about affiliate marketing is kind of like you can review what you buy from somewhere and still earn money from other people buying that product simply by you telling others about it. Because remember, 95% of all consumer buying is through referrals or recommendations. So someone sees someone else wearing a pair of Jordans and be like, I want to wear those Jordans. Where can I get those Jordans? And you're like, okay, I got them from the Shesha store. Then you go there, you buy it. And the thing is, affiliate marketing, you can get paid for that. You can get paid for other people buying stuff simply because you use that product. I mean, if you like wearing Gucci, definitely somebody else is going to like wearing Gucci, and people who have the same style and taste as you. So wonderful, guys. This is Louis Jr. Chakwani signing out, and looking forward to a lot of these vlogs that I'll be creating promoting affiliate marketing for you guys. Believe that.